Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Before we get into our tutorial on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook, let's have a better understanding of what is a professional mode on Facebook. Now, a professional mode on Facebook is a specialized feature on Facebook that allows you to be known globally and publicly. Turning on professional mode on Facebook helps you to increase your followers and following. After turning professional mode, all of your posts and videos can be seen by people publicly, but you can also choose to post just within your friends. That was everything that you needed to know about professional mode on Facebook. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Facebook app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Facebook app will be in the home page. Here from the home page, you'll be able to see your profile icon that is located on the fourth option on the top. Tap on it. Right after tapping on your profile icon, here you'll be able to see various options. On the bottom, you'll be able to see two options, add to story and edit profile. And right beside that, you'll be able to see three dots. Here you'll have to tap on that three dots. After that, here as you can see, there are many options being follow settings, account status, view as, and many more. On the very end, you'll be able to see your option turn on professional mode. Tap on it. After tapping on turn on professional mode, here it is said that you'll be paid for your contents. You can also see content insights and there will be more people to follow you. Tap on turn on. After that, you'll have to set up your professional mode. You can choose to set up your professional mode or you can choose to do it later. Here you'll have to complete 3 steps in order to complete your professional mode setup. The 3 steps are add your website and social links, add details about yourself, and create new contents. For now, I will be skipping the 3 setting up process and going back. Here as you can see, the profile has been changed quite a lot from before. Here you will be able to see option view tools added right between add to story and edit. Just like that, you have turned on professional mode on Facebook. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.